Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Langflow, episode 6 of 15. You might think building an agent tool requires writing custom Python wrappers or searching a library for specialized tool nodes. It does not. Almost any component already on your canvas can be converted into an active capability with a single click. Today, we're looking at equipping agents with tool mode. A common misconception is that you need dedicated, hard-coded tool components to feed an agent. In Langflow, tool mode is a feature built directly into the standard nodes. Whether you're working with an API caller, a database retriever, or a text processing node, you can switch it into tool mode. When you activate this toggle on a component, its interface changes. The standard output ports you would normally route into the next step of a linear chain disappear. Instead, the component exposes a single tool output port. You take that new tool output and connect it directly to the tool's input port of an agent component. An inert processing step is now an actionable utility the agent can trigger on demand. Turning the component into a tool is only the mechanical step. The agent still needs to know how to use it. When you enable tool mode, a button labeled Edit Action appears on the node. Clicking this reveals 3 configuration fields. The first field is the slug. This is a machine-readable identifier, usually formatted with underscores instead of spaces. The second is the name, which is a standard human-readable title. The third field is the description. This is the part that matters. The description field is not documentation for the developer. It is the literal text prompt the large language model reads to determine if it should trigger this specific tool. If your description is vague, the agent will guess when to use it, leading to unpredictable behavior and wasted tokens. Take a web search component as an example. Normally, it just takes a string and returns search results. If you toggle tool mode on this node, it becomes an agent tool. Now you open the Edit Action menu. If you write a generic description like searches the web, the agent might trigger a search for basic factual questions it already holds in its training data. Instead, you write a highly restrictive description. You define exact conditions. You write, use this tool exclusively to look up breaking news, current events, or real-time weather. The agent parses that exact sentence during its reasoning cycle. It evaluates the prompt against your description, ensuring the web search node only fires when the user asks about recent news. You can scale this up by enabling tool mode on several different components. You simply connect all of their tool output ports into the single tool's input on the agent node. The agent reviews the descriptions for every connected tool, selects the right one, executes it, and synthesizes the returned data to formulate its final response. The underlying logic of the node is entirely invisible to the agent. The only thing controlling your agent's decision-making is the precision of your tool descriptions. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.